What's up, guys? So we're here about to do the oil change. We're here with the Z650. We're about to do an oil change. We got the stand and everything going. To really get the oil out, you have to kind of lean it over, so I have to get it back off the stand. This doesn't take very long. I know a lot of people pay to get this done, but if you're not, mechanically inclined or don't know, not really good with your hand, it's understandable. It's fine. Not everybody can do it. I'd rather have somebody else do it, which is okay too. But I know I can do it, so that's pretty good. I save myself a little bit of money on that. I'm gonna try to do coolant flush in a little bit, but I need to get some distilled water. Every time I run over to my Family Dollar, they never have. It's about 8:34, so we're about to go. See, about Family Dollar is open right now. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Alright, so we're just gonna tighten this. Pretty much just hand tighten it very tight. So that should be good. Alright, so what's next? Alright, so the next thing is the filter. So some people like using the old oil, or like using the new. I just put it inside, just like that. Just to get a nice tight seal. And just until it's no longer like, I guess, colored inside. I guess I'm gonna go get a toothbrush and try to clean it inside. If I'm gonna do it, I guess I might as well just try to do it right. It gets like black in there, so I'm gonna try to clean that off.